hope there's some toys. How does it open? How does this open? What? 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 There is no stuff. Oh. What there? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today, we're gonna open the lion's wood chest. I took my tooth out.
Yes, she lost her tooth. Show them your tooth. Alrighty.
Let's open it.
Yes. Oh.
I opened it before.
Let's see what's inside. Alrighty. Flip it.
Let's see what it says.
Hold on. Flip it first.
It says, "Oh me."
Ahoy, me hearties. And pull that too. Bring in the front more in the front. Front to you. Right there, right here.
Let's open it. There's a keyhole.
Open it, open.
Can you open? How do you open this?
Whoa! What's inside?
Scissors?
Why?
Gus.
Bring it out. Oh, that's how it is? Whoa! What is that?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Lion's toy?
It's a peck.
Mmm. Okay. Don't move. You move too much. Yes. Alright. Yeah.
Combo and his telescope or microscope.
Telescope. Very good. Alright, open the rest.
Open this. So we go. Use the claw. Heck. Open another one. This looks important. How do you... Captain Ryan.
Whoa! Don't move it. Whoa, cool.
It's like a black.
And more.
I think it's Gus. It's Gus.
Hi, Gus. You already have Gus, right?
Yeah, I got Gus. And he got his hat toes that I don't know how to put on his
Hat.
hat.
Feels like it's magnetic.
I don't know how to do it.
So far, 4 toys came out. Leave it there. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9, 4, 8.
Okay. Whoa, there's the keys!
There's the key. We found the key. We found the key and the sword.
I think this goes to Ryan.
We found the key.
Goes to Ryan.
We found the key. Alright, don't waste time now. Come on, just open it.
So for Ryan.
We'll do that later.
We got to open it under the bed. What? I think this is like a
Whoa.
bandana and then like an iPad. Let me put it on for you guys so you can
Yeah. What? That is so
Ahoy.
cool. Ahoy, ahoy.
see.
I think that goes in your waist.
This one?
Yeah, the ribbon.
Heavy. This is giant. think it's like.
That's a big one. Whoa.
Can I have the scissors?
It's a
again?
mystery.
The mystery.
Mystery.
It says mystery putty.
You want to see what's inside of the box chest. At least they open good. Coins treasure. Wow, 2 of them. Alright, let's see what else is there.
The key.
Yes. Wait, first open this. No, there should be more of this.
No, there's nothing. You can't open it. We have to have this thing.
Oh, you gotta put the key first.
Put this.
No, this side. What? You open more? There's more stuff.
A hat.
And a sword. A pirate hat. And a
I
sword.
can fight with Daddy.
Put it on. You gotta put the eye patch too. Oh, this is so cool. Yay! Take your sword.
So, thumbnail.
We'll do a thumbnail with that.
Yeah.
But open that lower now first.
Wow, I was right.
Get the key.
Let's
Open
get
the
this
lower
other
one.
key. I think it opened. It did open? It opened.
Yes. Ooh, there's more stuff. There's the ship.
The ship.
The pirate ship is in there. Show the ship. Show it.
Ship.
The front. Show it. Wow.
But look what it says. It's like a mystery in here.
Yes.
The ship.
In the
What's
box?
another one?
Ooh, we gotta save that. I need that. Wait. Ooh.
I know this is, it's for, where is that thing for this? Did
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Open it. Gotta open it. Open it. Open it. We need to see. Open it. Open it. We need to see. What's inside? What's inside? Oh, what's inside?
Can you help me open it? Oh,
You can do it. You can do it. Just pull it. I'll pull it.
I got it. With the powerful scissors.
Yes, ma'am.
My favorite snack food is glue. I'm kidding, kids. Don't eat glue.
Whoa, what is that?
It's like a gold thing.
Very cool.
It's a,
Is that gold? What does it say? Stop moving it. It's corn. No, Captain Ryan's Dig and Discover Treasure.
and there's like something in there.
Probably something in there. Perfect.
And
Now
that's
you can separate your toys there. And save stuff there. No one will know.
Wait, we have also this to do. This opens.
Ooh, so there's another key for that. Gotta check, gotta check,
I
gotta
did
check.
it.
Did it?
Did it.
Let's see.
It's like a mist. It's like a secret. Okay. Is it?
What did you
It's
find?
like a treasure chest.
It is another tiny treasure chest.
It's just so.
Give me the treasure chest, the tiny one. Show it in your hand. Show it in your hand. Whoa!
It's so
Don't move, don't.
This is the tiny one over here. This is the big one. I got the treasure now. Ha 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 ha.
Wait, where did you get this?
Pocket. Pocket. Subscribe if you don't subscribe. I'm gonna come after you. Oh, look at the treasure. Go find it. I hope there's some toys. How does it open? How does this open? What? 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 There is no stuff. Oh, it's right there.
Don't touch it. It's not yours. Don't touch it. Close that.